This is lesson 29, new rule, the TH ending. And you can see there's a T on the final side, but there is no H. So we need to write a combination of keys for that TH ending. And you'll find that it's not too difficult to remember how to write it, but it is definitely something you're going to want to practice in terms of the finger placement and curving the finger over enough and getting the pinky over enough so that you don't shadow other keys, all right? And it's also something, even though it'll be easy to remember, I think it will be something that you'll have to get used to seeing in your steno, always recognizing what the stroke is for the final TH. So when TH comes at the end of a word, always use final GT, and that saves a stroke because you don't have to do the T, and absent an H, the only other H would be on the initial side, all right? And you wouldn't want to do that in a second stroke. So GT is final TH. For example, math, that's M-A-G-T, and bathe is B, long A, G-T. So for that final TH ending, you're going to write the final GT, and you kind of have to curl your right ring finger and get that pinky up to the T. So this is when you're going to work on to get used to that stroke and so that you're writing it cleanly. So for example, in the word math, that ends in a TH, we're writing M-A-T-H, which in steno is M-A-G-T. Bathe, B long A, GT for the TH. A few others, cloth, path, both. We also have birth. That's that B-I-R-T-H, which is GT in steno. Moth, wrath. Okay, so it shouldn't be too difficult to remember when writing it, but you'll definitely need to practice seeing it so that you always identify that final GT as the final TH. And you're definitely going to want to drill on it and drill on words that have it so that you're able to reach up to the T with the G pressed and not shadow other keys, all right? So go ahead and write that a few times, write it with a comma between it, and then go to exercise 2 word practice where we'll practice words with that final GT.